Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for another amazing Love From Lizi card kit. This is the May 2019 kit called Snap Happy, and I just love it. So let me show you everything that is included. We'll go ahead and start with the larger bag. So you're going to get 5 sheets of cardstock. So there's a purple, there's white, there's black, there's this beautiful kind of a teal turquoise color, and then a really vibrant yellow. And then you're going to get 2 full sheets of the specialty cardstock. There's pink pearlescent, and then there's some of the gold satin mirror paper. Really pretty. And then you will receive 12 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper, and these are all double-sided, and they're just fun and vibrant colors. Lots of pinks and blacks and turquoise and yellows in here. My favorite paper is this pink sheet with all of the cameras. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to be able to cut into that one just because it's so fun. It's like little hearts and flowers, and then it's got some geometric designs as well. So it has a really nice variety, and they all coordinate so beautifully together. I think this paper collection is going to be perfect for masculine and feminine cards since it has such a nice variety. I love those little colorful trees. It's kind of a rainbow with some soft colors on there. And then these leaves are super fun with that pink background. And it just has that really light gray color in all of them. Just so fun. Kind of a retro color feel to them. So there are all of the 6x6 papers. So then you're also going to receive 8 sheets of stickers. And these are really cute, and they coordinate perfectly with all of the pattern papers. So there's a nice variety of florals and sentiments. And then some of these designs, they look kind of blank here on the video, but they're actually white. The background of all of the stickers are clear, so the white designs will look really nice on a darker cardstock or pattern paper. So here's a full sheet of just a bunch of fun little sentiments. And then again, this is all in white, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's the same sentiments as the sheet with the black. And then the final sheet of stickers doesn't have the clear background, but it just has days of the week, the months, and some of the dates. So it would work really good if you're a planner person. And then here are the brand new Love From Lizi peel-offs. This is the sway style, so it has this fun little wavy design to it, and it still comes in the 3 different sizes. I'm really looking forward to using those. And then my favorite part in the whole kit is this stamp set. Look at how cute this is. All these fun cameras and perfect little sentiments. So now moving on to the embellishment bag. There's this really fun sheet of stickers. These are very dimensional, and they remind me of sea anemones with all these little tentacles on them, if that's what they're called. And then you'll get 5 dies. There are 4 of them are little hearts. One of them is a little larger heart, and then a nice sentiment, thank you sentiment die. So these are great to just have in your stash. I love all the extra little detail on some of the dies. And then next is the Nuvo drops, and these are the jewel drops. This is the honeysuckle color. So really pretty pink that goes well with the pattern paper. And then there are 2 little sets of these little bows. Aren't these sweet? Little bow ties. So they have a little bit of dimension to them. It'll be just a fun thing to add on to the cards. And then there's this great assortment of little like puffy hearts. So they don't have any adhesive on them, so you'll have to add that. But look at these fun colors and these fun patterns. And they do have a little bit of thickness to them because they're like a puffy sticker. I remember having those when I was in elementary school. And then next up is the really full bag of ephemera pieces. There is a lot in this kit, and these are so fun. Just really easy way to add them to your card, add a sentiment, and then this really fun pattern paper, and there you're done. There are hearts and lots of different images. Look at this sweet little rabbit, florals, and then there's some little journaling designs. You could add a sentiment or maybe add it to a scrapbook. Some of the pieces have this beautiful gold foil. And of course that camera is my favorite. I am such a shutter bug, so I love everything with cameras. So lots more sentiments, and there's some that have little pieces you can punch out. So you could get 2 different designs out of there. There's some more with the lovely gold foil. I know it kind of looks yellow with my overhead lights, but it's gold. And then I love the ones on the craft paper with the white print. And then here's another floral one where you punch out all those extra little pieces. So really big variety of ephemera. And then of course the sequin mix, beautiful with some purple and turquoise in there. And that is just a sample bag. You can always purchase the full bag as one of the add-ons. And then this month the kit has a skinny ribbon. So there are 5 different colors. There's like a lavender, a peach, a white, black, and then a yellow. So this is everything that is included in the May 2019 Love From Lizi card kit. Isn't that fun? I can't wait to start using this one. But I did get a few of the add-ons. So first up is the washi tape bundle. There are 8 different rolls and they have different widths. Some of them have a touch of some gold foil, and then the camera one, of course, is my favorite. Here's one that has the days of the week on it, so that would work really nicely in a planner. These sweet little hearts, this little subtle pink design, and then the last one has this lovely gold glitter. And then next is one of the specialty cardstock bundles. This is the Pearlescent paper, and there are 6 sheets included. I love the Pearlescent paper. And then the last bundle that I received is the glitter cardstock. So again, this one has 6 different sheets, lots of lovely glitter, and this is always the no shed glitter, so it doesn't make a huge mess. And then next is the So Woodland 8x8 paper pack. So this includes 16 sheets of 8x8 pattern paper. Half of them are double-sided, and then some of the other designs have a specialty effect, like some gold foil. Some of them have a spot gloss to them, and then a few of them are these really lovely pearlescent papers. So they're very soft designs. Lots of florals, some butterflies. I love just these simple diagonal stripes and these sweet little birds. Then there's some music notes on the back of one of them. This collection is perfect for spring and summertime cards with all of these lovely floral designs. This piece, it's hard to see, but this one has the spot gloss on it, as does this sheet with all the little butterflies and the birds. And here's one of the pearlescent papers. I love those colorful butterflies. And then this last one is just beautiful with this gold foil. Look how shiny that is. So that is the So Woodland 8x8 paper pack. So my final add-on is the newest mega pack. There are 4 sheets of specialty paper. 2 of them are pearlescent, and then 2 are the high gloss mirror. This is the Unicorn Dreams Mega Pack, and look at how fun that is. So there are 32 sheets of 8x8 paper. 2 of them have sentiment and image cut aparts, and then 2 of the designs have this really pretty iridescent effect on them. They're really shiny. And then 3 of the designs have this glitter. It's kind of hard to see, but all those little unicorns have glitter, and then those that kind of confetti look had some glitter on it, and then the little diamonds all have glitter. There are 2 sheets of all of the pattern papers. Half of them are single-sided, and then the other half are all double-sided. So let me just flip through and show you all of the designs here. I love these bright colors. They kind of look like a rainbow sherbet color with the orange and the green and the pinks. But very fun, very cheerful. This would be perfect for little girl cards or teenage girl cards, or maybe even some adults that love all of the unicorns and the rainbows. But then there's some patterns that would work well for anybody. Maybe not all the guys in your life, but really pretty designs. I know my daughter is already eyeing this collection. So last one with these little hexagons in the orange, and then kind of a confetti look on there. And then with the mega pack, there are also 8 dies included. And these are this fun little style, so they're all the same shape. Some of them have sentiments on them. There's love and happy birthday. There's a thank you. And then there's one that's blank, which is perfect because you could cut that one out to layer the other one on top. There's a hello and with love. It's a really nice stash building die set. When you need a quick sentiment, you can just cut that out and use that on a card. So here's another quick look at the May 2019 Love From Lizi card kit. This is a limited quantity kit and they do sell out every month. So if you are interested, I suggest not waiting. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up for the monthly subscriptions. I will have links in the description box for all of the products that I just showed you. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards, 1 kit video. So be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.